excavator on fire in the area of Redland Brick Incorporated, Harmar. Number 13, Richhill Road. Company is 315-175, channel 2, response at 1210. 315 has a call. 315-1210.
Knowledge is the call.
218-1211, this is supposed to be a smoke detector in the industrial building. Or mechanical smoke room detector, mechanical room smoke detector.
111's on here.
212.
Engine 2's en route.
218 engine 21212.
Motor vehicle accident and injuries involving a tractor trailer. 3 vehicles involved. Intersection of William Flynn Highway, Northtown Square, Richland Township. 241, channel 2, response at 1213.
Units alerted for Goldfish Swim School. Alarm company is reporting they believe it was triggered by humidity. Police on the scene reporting nothing showing from outside 1213.
County 175 station, we acknowledge. Station 175 with the call 1213.
County, you can show 241 Station 2 as the call.
241 Station 2 with the call 1214.
.111 or 218 OIC. Alarm company got proper code from a key holder. Your discretion.
County 111, Captain 1.
Good.
Yeah, if he's going to confirm with the police, we'll take the disregard then.
241 assistant on the scene 1215.
218 will take the disregard.
Copy 1215.
County, you can show 241 engine 2 is going to be on the road at crew 1.
241 engine 2 1216.
Back 1216.
County 175 tanker route. 175 tanker route 1216. Units for Richard Road and Harmar Police are also reporting the vehicle is fully involved.
415 Rush, call me.
County, Roddick.
Raddick, make it.
1 for an eval. Have my engine 2 respond non-emergency for minor containment.
Receive 52, copy direct, respond non-emergent.
Station 262.
LH Command, your maintenance are pulling up now.
This is Everett Pier PD left, your discretion.
Okay, if you got proper code, put it way back.
Okay, actually they just responded, confirm false. We'll put it back. All use alerted Freeport right now here per 111 truck. And PD report, alarm company report, false alarm. Everybody can return 1217.
First responder detail, you want response for a 53 male sick, 5030 Leah Drive, Indiana, 175 Curacao North EMS at 1218.
The 241 officer in charge from 241 engine 2.
241 assistant, go ahead.
Where on, do we need to come north on Route 8?
Yeah, north on 8, right in front of the entrance to Northtown Square. Now you pull in front of the tractor trailer.
Did you want that non-emergency?
Yes.
Johnny, 315 Rush, he's going to be getting out. Rushy, Captain on command, working fire. 315 Rush, he's going to work.
315 rescue on scene.